First water test on the new engine. One works, the other one works. So here we go. Everything is secure. I'm going to be a little heavy with two grown adults in here. My wife is making sure that the raccoons don't get in my truck, because I left the windows open and the raccoons are wild here. So let's check it out. Went the wrong way. Here we go. We are now power cruising. What's the speed you got on there, Andrew? 2 miles an hour? Okay, we're at speed number 1. Alright, ready? Speed number 2. Oh, speed number 2. Speed number 3. Speed number 4. Speed number 5. That's the highest speed.
That goes at 4, I believe.
Can you show the trees on the sides? You can see the speed, like how fast we're moving. Aim it all the way to the bank on the other side. On your left. On your left. So you can see how fast we're actually going back past. That is not bad at all. Right, what do you think, baby?
Cool. Much easier than paddling, for sure.
I'll tell you what. Not that I'm lazy or anything, but look at all the fish bubbling up on the left.
Yeah.
See all the bait fish?
I see them. You could spot things easier now because, you're not busy.
Oh yeah, this is nice.
Trying to paddle.
This is what we needed to be doing from the first day. I like the exercise and all, but forget that nonsense. That's it. Let's go full speed. See what the wake does. That's a nice big wake at full speed. I don't think we're supposed to be making a wake here, so we're gonna go back down to 1. Just cruise out because there's people fishing. Three miles an hour? Four miles an hour? Get out of here. All right, let's go full speed, see what happens. 5? Holy smokes, we're able to get 5 miles an hour with 2 grown adults. That is amazing. That's what I'm thinking. If I was myself, how fast can I go? Wow. Did you just say 6, 7? This is an amazing test. We're able to go 5 miles an hour with 2 grown people in it. Alright, so this is how we control it. Here's your tiller. I'm gonna go right. I'm gonna go left. This is how you steer. You gotta be careful. You gotta get used to it. It feels like we're gonna flip over. There's your speed, full speed right there. Alright. Thank you. We're at 92% power. At this speed, we got 3 hours of motoring. Let me lower the 3 hours 16. If I lower the speed, we should get more hours. Four hours and 45 minutes if I go at this speed. So if I was to go and never stop at speed number 1, it gives us, let's see, that can't be right. It says 41 hours. Impossible. Minutes at speed number 1. Alright. You're not allowed up there with motors. Four hours at speed number 2. Speed 3. 3 hours and 13 minutes at speed number 3. Speed 4. 2 hours and 52 minutes. Damn, that eats it up real fast. Speed 5. 2 hours and 3 minutes of this speed. So if you want to get somewhere and not ruin your battery, you got to go under speed 3 or 2.